Hello guys, let's make grilled catfish. In today's video, we're going to be grilling this gigantic catfish. If you look at the catfish very well, you can see that the head of the catfish is almost bigger than my own head. Yes, that's how big this catfish is. I'm even bending it. So I'm going to start by peeling my Irish potato and cut it into chips. So next up, I'm going to be combining my spice. Here I have at agogo, that's chili pepper, ginger powder, salt, fish seasoning, and star cube. This is the fish seasoning I'm using, and this is the star, the real star. So I'm going to combine everything and set it aside. These are the spices I'm going to be using: onions, shombo, tomatoes, tatashe, and one habanero pepper on top of it. Here, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, ginger, and chili pepper, both red and green. I'm just going to blend it up with my pulse button on my blender. Then it's time to fry. First off, I'm going to fry my onions and ensure it sizzles. Then I'm going to start pouring in my blended tomato and pepper mix. Here I just added my ginger, the ginger you saw earlier. I needed to pound it, so I'm going to put 2 cubes of seasoning cube here and add salt to it. That's just it. Making catfish is so simple. Don't let anybody bamboozle you. It's like ABC. So I would always do a taste test, and trust me, it was really nice. I'm going to transfer this into a bowl and set it aside. This is my gigantic catfish. The length was more than my tray. This tray is very big. So it is time to sharp my knife like an elenro and cut the sides, because you want the spices to go into the skin and give it taste. This is not those kind of catfish that the spice will just be on top of it and the inside will be tasteless. No, you're going to be intentional. So I'm going to be rubbing my spice into the cut, in the belly, in the head. See, catfish head is the best part of catfish. Go and argue with your ancestors, but catfish head is the best part of catfish. So back to the video. I'm gonna rub this spice everywhere before I start putting my tomato and pepper mix spice. This has to go in everywhere. It's gonna touch everywhere, every nook and cranny of the fish. Now I'm going to put my potatoes by the side. I'm not going to be using all, because the rest I am going to be frying it. So at this point, I'm just going to cover my catfish with the foil, then put in the oven to bake. I cannot give you a specific time because I don't know how fast your oven is, but just monitor it till it is done, till the middle. Look at the potatoes. Well done. You can see the smoke. Now I'm going to put the remaining of the sauce by the side, some coleslaw, and fried chips. The remaining chips from earlier on, I fried it, and this is the end result. Tell me this is not beautiful. And it tasted really good. Today was a date with my brother, so we had a date. We needed to sit and talk and enjoy our conversation, so I made grilled catfish. Guess what? We could not finish this fish, such that he had to continue tomorrow. Tell me if you'll be trying this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.